Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Chevy Tahoe LT 4-wheel drive, stock number X909XX. Only 35,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tungsten Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats. Fold flat for additional cargo space as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety and trailering package. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a tilt and slide adjustable steering wheel. Shift and fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and power moonroof overhead. Large, easy to read gauge with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Tahoe has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Tahoe, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.